So before I jumped into digital marketing, I was this type of graphic designer who didn't know anything about color or typography or composition or layout and all that stuff. But there's even what they call the golden ratio. That one I still don't know about it. But anyways, so with time I came to learn the things, but not everybody is going to manage to learn the things. That's why I'm recording these videos. They are going to be 10 videos. Every week I'm going to release a short video. It might be a week, or it might be 2 videos per week. But the intention is to help you learn how to create cool graphics online. You don't need to learn Photoshop for this. You just need to follow along with these videos and you'll be able to create good graphics using this cool online graphics tool called Canva. So let's get started already. The next 10 days I'm going to show you how to use Canva Pro. Canva makes it very easy for you to create designs for your social media or for your website, even for print. Canva's got a lot of templates that you can choose, whether it's a social media, whether it's brochures, business cards, flyers, all within a few clicks. So if you've ever thought of creating graphics but you didn't want to learn about graphic design and how it works and all that stuff, I'm going to show you how to use the 10 most powerful tools in Canva Pro. Now you might also access the Canva Basic, which is the free version of Canva, but with Canva Pro you have a lot more options, like creating folders to organize your work, like resizing your work to fit different platforms. With Canva Pro you can be able to create one design and resize it for all your other platforms. Isn't that cool? So let's get started with number 1, which is Brand Kit. Now Brand Kit helps you to create your brand assets. Brand Kit is the place for you to keep your brand assets, for example logos. You can even create color palettes for you to use later. Now with Brand Kit or with Canva Pro you are able to upload fonts and logos that you can use later. So let's begin with uploading a logo. Just click on this button plus, and then you'll be redirected to this dialog where you can choose your logo from. The next thing is for you to choose your color palettes. You can choose your color from here by clicking this plus. These are the brand colors that you'll be using most often. You can even paste in a code. I'm going to choose a nice color here. It's nice orange, and then I'm going to choose another color. Let's go with this kind of. Next I'm going to choose this dark green. Next thing is I'm going to upload a font, but before I do that I'm going to first rename this color palette to. Next I'm going to upload a font. Just click upload a font, and then you can look for your font. I have a font that I downloaded here. Now when you download the font, in most cases it comes when it's a zip file, and you have to unzip that. Now before you upload the font, you make sure you have the rights to use it. Now with this font, this is a free font, so I got the rights to use it. And there you click upload, and there you have your font down there. You can even add more fonts if you like. You could even edit the fonts that are here. Alright, so that's the quick overview of the Canva Pro feature, which is Brand Kit, which allows you to create your brand assets like the font and the logos and the color palettes, which you can use later in your designs to keep your brand consistent. Now in the next video we are going to look at the Photos Pro, the Canva library and the Photos Pro feature, which allows you to have access to over 60 million premium photos that you can use for your designs. Okay, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you need any help, let me know. Make sure to follow along, because if you don't follow along, you will not be able to get the results that I intend for you to achieve. Alright, thank you so much for joining me in the Canva Pro series. Thank you so much for watching this first video in the Canva Pro series, and I hope you learned something cool. But number 1, take action on what you have just learned. Make sure to sign up for the Canva Pro account and then get started. Make sure to watch the next video in the Canva Pro series. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you in the next one.